Alright. This is our tent on the ice. Got the VEVOR exhausted nicely. Sled brought all this down. That is an amazing thing. Make a Smitty sled if you get into ice fishing. And, boom. This is what we got going on. Not too shabby. Game on. Let's get some fish. Well, all we need is some snow on the outside of the skirt. There's no snow on the ice, and yeah, I think we're kind of set up. Cotton leaves. Yeah, it's nice and toasty in here. I would definitely have a secondary heater as it is minus 20 out, so it does feel a little chilly on the other side of the tent. Now we just need some fish. Yeah, we definitely need to add some snow. The gap around the outside is really much. I think the VEVOR would do a little bit better if there wasn't such a gap there. We do have Nikki, she's tucked away, she's sleeping. So it's comfortable, but it's not nice. A little snow would help. That way we would insulate the outside. And some fish would be nice. Not much happening. Pretty quiet on the screen and on the rods. Still early though. You can definitely camp in these things. Oh, a little sleepyhead got up. Sun's out. Nikki's up. Still nothing. Saw a couple mobs, but no biters yet. Always in the wrong spot. But now at least Nikki's up, so we can get another line going. Shake it up out there. Looks nice and noisy today.